Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS AirVision. In this video I'll show you how to manage touchpad gestures. Touchpad is located right here on the left side of the glasses. If you want to learn all gestures, enter the app, go to Settings and Gesture and Hotkey Settings. Now, the constant gestures are Center, Visual Screen, one finger tap. Switch Viewing Mode, one finger double tap. Shortcut menu, one finger long press and slide. Instant Transparent, two finger tap. Turn on off 3D mode. Long press, two finger. Next, you can enable or disable cursor follow and change hotkey for center cursor and distance. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.